Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is part 2 of Git Top 85 interview question answer series with code snippets. As informed, if you go through this top 85 questions, you will not only learn about Git, you will be able to crack any interview that interviewer will ask you on Git. You can use this knowledge on everyday basis also. With that being said, before I get started, this is part of the full stack interview question answer series pack that I have launched. It covers over 30 technologies that are listed on the screen, over 2000 interview question answer series with code snippets and each PDF for each technology. This is the only investment you will ever do in your learning. So make sure you get your copy at arctutorials.gumroad.com. Let's continue with the question. 11th question is, how do you create a new branch in Git? You can create a new branch with the following command, which is git space branch space name of the new branch. The next question is, how do you switch to another branch in Git? So before you switch, you need to check out that particular branch. You can do it with git checkout new branch. That is the name of the branch that you want to switch to. What is git merge? Git merge is used to combine changes from one branch into the another. That means you have two branches, you want to merge the changes from one branch into another. That's where you would use the git merge command. First, you need to check out the main branch, which is what you want to have as the base. So you will run git checkout main. This will check out the main branch. The next you will do is to merge it. That means you will merge your feature branch into the main. So you will then do git space merge space feature hyphen branch, which is the second branch that you want to merge into main. This is the command to use, that is git merge. What does git rebase do? Git rebase is used to apply changes from one branch onto another, rewriting the commit history. That means that you are applying changes from one branch to another, just like git merge, but here you are also rewriting the commit history. So the way you do it is, first you check out the feature branch, that is git checkout feature branch. Then you are telling rebase, that means bring in the changes from main into checkout branch, which is feature hyphen branch. So you will run the command git space checkout feature branch. Then you will run git space rebase, then main. What is git tag? A tag is a reference to a specific commit, often used to mark release points or versions. Now tagging is very important, especially if you're working on a project which requires like continuous deployments, frequent deployments and all. That's where you would use git tags heavily. You can tag based on say release features or release dates, etc., and you will use the command git space tag space the name of the tag that you want to use. So it could be the tag name or it could be the release version that you are targeting. That's what git tag is used for. How do you delete a branch in Git? To delete a local branch, you will use the command git space branch hyphen D is the option, that is for delete, followed by the name of the branch. To delete a remote branch, you would use git push origin hyphen delete, then branch name. So two types of deletes. One is the local, one is the remote branch. If you are deleting something in local, you can just run the command git branch hyphen D branch name. But if you are deleting a remote branch, you would do git push origin hyphen delete followed by the branch name. Make sure you get the difference correct, because these two will do totally different things. One only deletes the local branch, the other removes the remote branch. How do you handle, okay, so sorry about that. The next question is, what is the difference between git merge and git rebase? Git merge combines two branches, preserving their commit history, whereas git rebase applies the changes from one branch to another, recreating a linear history. That means it will rewrite the entire commit history using git rebase. But git merge will preserve the commit history, and that is the main and important difference that you should talk about when we talk about git merge and git rebase. The next one is how do you view commit history in Git? So this is where you can see the logs. You can type the command git space log and you can see all the commit history that has happened on that particular repository. So git log is your go-to command to see the commit history. What is the purpose of .gitignore? .gitignore file specifies which files and directories Git should ignore. Usually it would be node underscore modules or say a readme or a .env, etc. This is useful for ignoring temporary files, build files or IDE configurations. Remember to have your local .gitignore file set up so that you don't commit files or directories that are temporary or which are not to be distributed. Alright, that's for today. Top 10 questions in this episode. I'll continue this series. We have 85 questions to cover. I hope you're enjoying, I hope you're learning, and I hope you have got your copy of your full stack interview question answer series. Like I mentioned, it covers over 30 technologies and over 2000 interview question answer series with code snippet. All the technologies that are listed here are covered. So this is a once in a lifetime buy. Make sure you get it at arctutorials.gumroad.com. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in part 3. Thank you again.